The M4 Sherman is the iconic tank of America's participation in World War II. Its actual production was rather short, but was produced in such numbers and variants that it overwhelmed more powerful opponents. Citations in this video will be in the description below. Explore, like, and subscribe. Initially designed in 1941, the first M4 Shermans were produced in 1942 and made their appearance in the North African battlefield in 1943. The M4 was created to replace the M3 tank, an earlier design that had its main gun in the hull. Although they were the primary tank of the United States, Shermans also were used by the UK, Canada, the Soviet Union, China, and Free France. Although outclassed by later German designs, its success on the battlefield was due to ease of maintenance and numbers. A number of specialized variants were developed, including models for clearing mines, bridge laying, tank recovery, and amphibious operations. Over 50,000 Shermans were produced during the war. It was classified as a medium tank with a 75mm main gun and 3 machine guns. Its armor had a matching thickness of 75mm. In 1943, a more powerful version was designed based on the British 17-pounder gun called the Firefly. The Sherman's sustained speed was around 26 miles per hour, weighed 34 tons, and a maximum range of 150 miles. It had a crew of 5 that included commander, loader, gunner, and 2 drivers. That has been a look at the iconic M4 Sherman Tank. Explore, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.